Rightly dividing the word of truth. Week 6 Prophetic Right Division. Post 147. Israel's future restoration. Romans 11. Rom 11:26. And so all Israel shall be saved, as it is written, there shall come out of Sion the deliverer, and shall turn away ungodliness from Jacob. Romans 11:26. KJV. Romans 11 destroys replacement theology. God has not permanently cast away Israel. Their current partial blindness is purposeful and temporary. V25. When the rapture removes the church and the fullness of the Gentiles is complete, God's clock for Israel resumes. The tribulation will purge and purify, and at Christ's second coming, the national remnant of Israel will recognize their Messiah. Zech pray regularly for the peace of Jerusalem. Peace 122. 6. And for the salvation of Jewish people. Support ministries reaching Israel. Understand that Israel's future is not a footnote. It is central to God's prophetic program. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Rightly Dividing KJV for daily Bible study.